Hey guys! So this week we finished Muhammad Ali, so we have a new assignment. So go to Google Classroom, ESL 1, classwork. Okay, so today your assignment is remote learning check-in. Also, sorry about the noise. Sorry about the landscapers in the background. It's a little loud. So watch Miss Aguiar's video and complete the Google Doc. So open the Google Doc. Okay, so ESL Remote Learning Check-In. So how are you guys doing, basically? So dear students, we left the classroom 8 weeks ago. Teachers are emailing and texting you, and it is usually about homework. I want you to self-reflect and share how you are coping with social distancing and quarantine. Part 1. First, choose one of the 4 ideas to write about. Highlight the number you choose. So number 1, you can write about 5 things I'm learning about myself during time at home. 2, 5 things I'm now especially grateful for during time at home. 3, 5 things I want to accomplish during time at home. 4, 5 things I'm looking forward to when quarantine ends. Okay, so let's see. So I need to highlight. So here, I'll highlight number 4. So I go here and choose a color. So I'll write about number 4. 5 things about number 4. So step 2, in English, guys, in English, complete the table with your ideas from above. Okay, so number 1. So one thing I'm looking forward to when quarantine ends. Seeing my family. The reason, or explain why. Because I usually see them every week. But now I am not. Let's see. Thing number 2. Going to work. Because my house is boring and I miss my students, I really do, and my coworkers, the other teachers. So then I write 3, 4, and 5, okay? So part 2, so now in 100 words in English, guys, answer the questions in a paragraph. So in this box here, answer these questions. Is there anything about your quarantine experience that you want me to personally know? What is your time like at home? Is it easy? Is it hard for you? What do you like or dislike about remote learning? What did you like or dislike about the Muhammad Ali book? What can help you learn better here in remote learning? So answer in 100 words in this box here. Okay, so email me, text me, go on to the Google Meet videos if you have any questions. Bye, guys.